Hello. Okay, so guys, today we are going to see how to use Maple to solve the calculus part of a problem. I'm going to show you here a problem and how to solve it. Let us see. This is a problem. Don't consider this problem. What we have to solve is important. See, this is an equation. Y is equal to a sine pi x pi l. Okay, and actually what we have to solve is this equation. Pi is equal to u minus wa. So the formula for u will be like this is the integration for y double dash. Okay, integration of y double dash square into dx means this is the equation y. You have to differentiate it, that is y dash, then differentiate it, it will be y double dash, and its square, y double dash square, and you have to integrate this square means you have to integrate this equation and apply limits. And in that also there are limits are different, 0 to l by 3 and l by 3 to l by 2 into 2, or l by 3, 0 to l by 3, l by 3 to this 2l by 3 and 2l by 3 to l, like that you have to integrate. So this becomes actually this is a simple problem I'm taking. You can solve this by your hand calculations also, but we are trying to solve. And this we has another equation, p by 2 into y dash square dx. So after solving this we have to we have to do pi is equal to u minus wv, and then we will get such a long equation, and we have to differentiate it again with a, and then we have to get something called en. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to solve this in the maple. So first of all we will need to define this equation, y is equal to a sine pi x by l. So I'm opening, this is the Maple 2020. How to install this, I have posted a video. If you have not watched that video, go there. The link will be there in the I button. You can watch it. Okay, so first I have to define this equation, y is equal to a sine pi x by l. So to type now the equation, y is equal to, you have to type equal to, you have to type like this, y is equal to colon equal to. When you are, we are defining the variables now, we are defining y. So y is equal to a, and whenever you are going to do a action of multiplication, you have to give space. Okay, whenever you want to multiply two things, you have to give space. So a space sine. Now we want sine, so what is there in sine? In sine it is pi x by l, right? So pi you have to take from here, there are like uh, common symbols over here, it is there pi. You have to give space pi x upon you can press that slash button, the button next to shift button, pi x by l, then come out of this, bracket close. And now you, as you have defined this, no, you have to give semicolon. Okay, you have to give semicolon, press enter. So this y is equal to a sine pi x by l is defined now, equation number 1. Now go to second line. Okay, now what I have to do is I want to I want y dash and y double dash. So I will define y dash. What is y dash? I will define it by giving semicolon equal to, it is differentiation of y with respect to x. So differentiation of y comma x, that means differentiation of y, that is this equation, this above equation, with respect to x, bracket close. And you have to give again semicolon. This is the equation you got, and then you have to also define y double dash, that is your uh, differentiation of means what is y double dash? Y double dash is differentiation of y dash with respect to x. Okay, we can write it as y dash with respect to x also, or we can write it as differentiation of y comma x with respect to x. Okay, and yeah, so then again you can give your semicolon and press enter. Now you have to get the value. You can see you didn't got any value here, so press y dash and press enter. No need to give semicolon or colon anything. Now press y double dash, you will get y double dash. Now what you have to do, you have to define. See, you have done y dash, y double dash. Now you have to define this pi. Okay. Okay, we will define first u. What is u? U is equal to ei by 2 integration of y double dash square into dx. Okay, so we will define u. So we are defining, that's why we are using colon and equal to. U is equal to ei by 2 into, you have to give space over here. Here e into I didn't give space because it is a constant thing. Okay, I want it to come simultaneously. If I give space, it will come, means like in multiplication it will come in different way. So I have to take integration over here. You can go here calculus, and here this is single integration, double integration, you can solve any integration over here. So I want now, actually see here, I want 0 to L. This is the main formula, but what I want is, see, this I want to make it, means the problem is this 0 to L by 3 I want ei, and then 0 L by 3 to L by 2 I want en into ei. So 0 to I will put here 0 to L by 3 I want this ei, right? Ei by 2 into what is the function? The function is y double dash, and if you want to give square, no, just press shift 6, you will be rising up, and this is the square. Then okay, this is 0 to L by 3. Now I want to add give space over here, and then plus then again ei by 2. Now see here, I want n into ei by 2, n space ei by 2, and here I want integration L by 3. So L by 3 to L by 2, and I'm going to have the function the same, that is y double dash shift 6 2, that is square, and I have to multiply the whole by 2, because I'm coming actually here, yeah, because I'm taking only half section, no? That's why. Yeah, so I defined this, and now I can freely print. Yes. Okay, so I have got this u thing. Now I want we. I will press we, define it equal to same. The formula is p by 2, and over here integration of, I will say there is no two different limits actually for this. I will go over here and 0 to L, and that is the equation over here is y dash square, okay, dx. So this is my equation. Now I want to find out this n. Okay, but I need to the p value is given over here in this problem, so I will also define p that will be equal to 2 pi square. I want pi square space. Where is that pi? Here you can get, sorry, not here, I will get it here in common symbols. Pi square I want, 2 pi square ei by, sorry, ei by L square. Okay, so I will press enter. Now this p will be kept in further. When you do calculations, this p will be put over here. Okay, now what I want, I'm going to define pi. Now this, don't take this pi, you have to take this there are Greek variables. Okay, there is a point called Greek. Yeah, you scroll down, you have this. I want this because this doesn't have any value. Okay, then okay, this is u minus we. Okay, press this, you got pi. Now we have to differentiate pi. Okay, this is the pi with respect to a over here. Press enter, this you got. Okay, and we have to equate this to 0. so that we will get the value of n. Okay, so here you have to equate it with 0 now, so just don't put colon over here. Okay, just put equal and press enter. Now you got this equation. Now you have to select this equation and go to here right, in the right part. You have to solve this equation, so solve and obtain solution for, I want solution for n. There are these four variables, I want solution for n. So this is the solution for n, but this is like in fractions. Okay, so I want this, I want to simplify this, approximate it this to 5 digits. So this is the answer I have got for n. So this is how we can solve the problem, and if you solve this manually also you can check it. Okay, so that's it. This is how we can solve. And the few notes, you have to put this colon and then equal to, then you have to give the space between two when you multiply two things. Okay, here also I have given space, you can see there is space. Okay, and here also when you are defining something you have to give semicolon at the end, and when you want the results, no, it's not required to give semicolon. Here also it's not actually required because you are giving directly, you are getting directly the answers. Okay, and in case you are editing something, means in case you got somewhere mistaken, let us suppose you want this pi square e by l only, so now you put enter, the all the things will change, but your answer doesn't change. Okay, why? Because if you do change somewhere, no, you have to go to the first step again, press enter, press enter, 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 enter. You have to do this process till end. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.